Hi everyone, good afternoon. This explanatory video of class number 3. My name is Diana Yuki Lima. I am a student at the University Técnica Particular de Loja. Then present perfect, class number 3. Informative data. Then past perfect. Class evaluated June 10, 2020. Grade 2nd baccalaureate. Duration of class 45 minutes. Proficiency level elementary A2.2 CFR. Lesson plan designer by Diana Esperanza Yuki Lima Campo Verde. Informative data. The teacher, after start the class, mentioned the general objective and a specific objective for this class. The general objective for this class is the student will be able to sequence, connect, and describe a story event. A specific objective. In the specific objective, the teacher explained this evaluation is about the 4 abilities. First, listening. Second, speaking. Number 3, reading. And number 4, writing. In number 1, listening, the teacher explained a student will be able to understand stories. In speaking, the student will be able to narrative real event. In reading, the students will be able to understand what the flow of family history and narration. And writing, the student be able to write stories in the perfect past tense, affirmative, negative, and question. In methodology and strategy used in this class, the teacher uses methodology and strategy. In methodology, the teacher uses the different methods. The first method is communicative language teaching, grammar and translation method, direct method, and total physical response. The strategies, the activity through the class proportion of additional information about different vocabulary associated and the theme. With image, use of body language to memory words. Use of body language to memory words. Use of context to understand or know words. Class introduction. The teacher invites the student at the listening to a story called Mysterious. Before telling the history, the teacher hands out the sheet with the 2 activities to solve. The students listen to the story and complete the text using the letter band. They also relate to the image on event. The teacher explained. In this first step, the teacher explained in a presentation the grammar structure of the past, simple and affirmative, negative and interrogative way. This method is a grammar and translation. It is a past simple, a present perfect. The teacher explained the structure of grammar in the blackboard for every one of the students in the class. Step number 2. The teacher hands out a worksheet with sentences related to the perfect past tense. The teacher uses in this step the communicate language teaching. The student completes the different sentences in the worksheet. The student completes the sentences and finally the activity. Step number 3. The teacher asks students to tell a story based in a fictional situation. In this case, the teacher uses the total physical response. It is an activity number 4. It is finally the student perform 9 sentences with the past affirmative, negative, and interrogative in the workbook. The teacher used the direct method. It is very important to check this progress at the students with this direct method because the teacher evaluates their different learning students. Modeling. The teacher makes a presentation that contains the class introduction, objectives, perfect, past, affirmative, negative, question, compares the simple past with the perfect past. For this activity, the teacher completes the worksheet. The student listening a short video based on the sentences post. The teacher connects the explanation to the beginning of class activity to involve the students in telling their own story. Group work made up of 3 students. Each one provides their contribution with 3 different sentences. The teacher received the worksheet and finally the students made over 5 sentences in past perfect. Assessment. As in a duty, a student must write a true or fictional story using the past tense 10 sentences maximum. And learned adverb. Take the story of mystery as an example. It is a copy, it is a hangman for traveling. The student who did not do the homework will have to play the hangman, and a student who loses will pay penance. In this activity, the student who does not do the homework, it is the participant in this activity. The activity is named hangman for traveling. It is a hangman played. Conclusion. The positive aspect the class could be exerted with the dictation material, keeping with action activity in established order. In addition, the teaching material was delivered to each of the students so that all students can participate to learn and also to play. They feel very motivated in this class. It is a great idea for every student. Thank you so much for you watching my video. Thank you.